Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above 0037. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 0037, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that 0037 mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be that previous breakout point area, and that sits right there at 0035. So near-term wise, 0037, 0035 going to be those two important levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the strength and health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, is to just watch that purple line. As long as the purple line moves itself higher and higher, and the price stays above it, well, then the bulls are in full control. The price is in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 0037 would be great, would be ideal. But from the grand scope of things, as long as the price, like I said, stays above that purple line, as the purple line moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in 100% control. Now, what about areas of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, then you probably know exactly where I'm going to be headed with this because it's quite clear from the charting perspective. But right up here at 0039, you can see several times today the bulls try to push up through that level, but couldn't quite do it. So public enemy number one going forward is definitely up there at 0039. Anyway, slice it though, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.